previous video, we have shown you how to create sitemap.xml and submit our WordPress sitemap into Google Search Console. In this video, we will show you how to add Google Analytics on our WordPress website. First, you need to log in into your dashboard. In here, we are using wordpress plugin to input our Google Analytics, like we just create XML using this plugin. Then go to SEO and click the Analytics menu in here. Because Google Analytics, the newest is 4 version, we need just input our measurement ID in GA4. First, you need to log in into your account on Google. Then you can find Google Analytics. Please open Google Analytics. Choose Start Measuring. This is for my account name is, for example, this is our website name, too easy for remember, and click Next. This is for our domain name, for example, and click Next. For business information in here, we can select one. For example, let's choose other in here, and then click small, and choose the suitable with you in here. Okay, let's just click create and agree with the license. And click save. So we need just click our website platform in here and input our domain name in here. Just copy your domain name in here. Then you need to remove HTTPS, and this is type your website free watch videos, for example, for title, and create stream. After that, this is your measurement ID. You can click copy and paste into your Google Analytics. You can exclude the tracking for some role in here, for example, administrator. Or you can leave it by default, just click Save Change. That's all tutorial how to add Google Analytics to our WordPress website. And this is using Google Analytics version 4.